create some images, and I found this code on Golang create image, blah blah blah. Just copy paste it in my editor. There it is. When I run it, you're gonna see a new image appear. Bam! All right. So it's 300 by 300. It has some rules that, all right, for widths less than half of the entire width we provide, is going to set the cyan. Well, what I want to have is I also want to add my stupid face on top of the cyan. So yeah, I want to have this in that image too. So let's learn how to read image from file and insert it at least in the very top of the image. Online to read some file, blah blah blah. It has some checking if the file exists, and it defers closing the read file thing to the end of a function. It decodes file and it has some bounds reading. I don't need to make it gray or whatever, and it does have some nice functionality to read through the entire image pixel by pixel on width and height. So I'm copying that. Bam. Technically, it will not even run because I still don't use that. Let's do that. Where the width is less than half. I also want to add this if x is smaller than width and y, y is smaller than height, which are these, the bounds of the input image. All right, I'm going to set, all right, image set at position x and y, the color of the source, which is the image that was decoded over here, source at x and y. Cool. Oh yeah. Wrong language. I'm mixing 20 languages in my head. Format, bam, and write. Let's see if it works. Please don't crash. Oh, it worked. Let's see the images. Ah, come on. Where are you? Coding, go, texture packer, image. Hey, that's me. That is me. Cool.